and then I will probably go out for lunch at Country Kitchen. And then when I come back here, I'm gonna have to shovel because Gizugipon, bijiinaago. It snowed last night. Oh, it's a good thing I got up early, I guess. Hey, Mino Giga Jeb. Good morning. Mino Giga Jeb, Nij Anishinaabe Dog. Good morning, my fellow Anishinaabe. And, you know, how you doing? Welcome to the podcast. I was just looking at my to-do list. I was looking at all the stuff I have to do, Nungom, all the things I need to do today. And it's good to write it down, I always write down, I don't always do this, but lots of times I'll write down the things I need to do for the day in this calendar. Yeah, so I guess that'll be we're gonna talk about time today. So you got basically today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Today, noon gom, today. I'm gonna take grandma to dialysis today, noon gom. And tomorrow, wabanang, what am I saying? Tomorrow, wabang, I'm going to do something else, wabang. And yesterday, bijiinaago. Yesterday, bijiinaago. All my troubles seem so far away. Bijiinaago, bijiinaago. Oh, bijiinaago, bijiinaago. Yeah, anyway, so nungom, wabang, bijiinaago. And snowing, when it's snowing, you say zugipon, it's snowing. But if you want to say it snowed yesterday, you add a gi. Gi zugipon, it snowed. Gi zugipon, bijiinaago. Bijiinaago. Gi zugipon, bijiinaago. It snowed yesterday. All right. Well, I guess that's all I have for today. You've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about the time and the weather. Hey, maybe I'll do that next time. Maybe I should start like a weather segment on this show. No, that's silly. Because I mean, you might come back in 2 weeks and say, hey, sometimes people watch these videos out of order. Anyway, I'm just talking out loud now. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa. Hoa. All right, good enough, eh?